Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a door thingy. It's like a door thingy, there's bits of wood, they slide back and forward, should be fun.
Iron walls in the timber, gears clicking in the pitch black air. You creep up past the briars, oil breath, cold steel prayer. Cloak soaked in the river, boot prints in my outer yard. You think stone walls are sleeping, you think this gate is soft, not hard. Ready but machine guns hiding in the dark. You come to tear my castle down, I spray you to the ground with fiery darts. Watch your metal hearts burn out, burn out. Millions machine guns crawling through the dark. Crank that courage till it snaps apart. You stole my throne but you don't.
Alright, so here we have the little mechanism. Got a pressure plate, got the pulley, it's all set up. Finally I calibrated it. Now hopefully it goes off when I push this button. Oh, there we go, perfect. And then that launches your ballista bolt or detonates your charge or whatever, I don't know.